Alrighty then. So here is my ship. This is an updated version of the previous one I had in that video that I made. It's the same ship, I just changed the design a little bit. Here's our base. We're actually on Thades. I think that's how you say it, Thades. And then we came back here because we were lonely. Looks like it might have been a bad call. Anyways, there's a lot of areas that have been, yeah, they've been taken over already. That's my buddy ship over there, Hitman. Had a little technical difficulties on a landing when we came back from Elliot. He crashed quite a few times. He was like 1.3 tons, I think. All of our cargo. We had up all of our industry units, which a lot of them are still inside the ship. He's trying to set this all up again. Might let him deal with that. Might just deal with mining ore and messing around with my ship. So yeah, maybe I'll do another video showing you guys his ship. I would rather him show you guys. See what's up with that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's take a look at the outside first. It's a pretty nice design, I think. It's kind of hard to see. I'm trying to get a video in outer space. I think it would look a lot cooler out there, but yeah, I don't have no fuel right now. Completely empty. This bad boy only has like maybe 5% full on a medium tank. So yeah, I mean, we've got the front bay for entrance. I have this button right here that's lit up. It's only you have to hold it to open it. So I got that for if you're trying to get in and out real quick, so you can just let go of the button and it'll automatically close. When I have the doors open, I got this nice little nifty ramp that everybody puts on their ships. It actually works out really well. And then also have it if you open up one of the doors. It's supposed to open up this other one. I thought I had that activated. Maybe it's not activated. Let me see. What's going on here? It's I remember. Yeah, I messed up the code. I don't know, I'm trying to figure that out right now. Where is it? You can see a bunch of different coding. I'm trying to figure it out. So yeah, it's not really working correctly. I've got to figure out what's going on with that. So I just commented it out right now, so I can deal with it later. If you guys know how to fix that, it'd be cool if you write it in the comment section for me. Let me know what's going on with that. Any coders out there, that'd be much appreciated. Anyways, what I'm trying to do is I got it to do it, but it's not working correctly. The doors just stay open. I can't close them. Which, if I open up one door, I want it to open up the other door. Because it's not always going to be a good idea to hold this button. I might want to open this up and just leave it open. I got a button up there. I'll show you right now. It does that, but yeah, it's up there. Anyways. So I'll take a look around. So I got this little area right here. It's supposed to look like, I guess, a mechanic shop. Little fixer-upper thing, you know what I'm saying? Got my little speeder there. Got that little programming board, little nice little nifty things here. The oars and knots and the relays, Little thingamajig right there. It really has no purpose except it looks cool. Got a little nice view up top, you know what I'm saying? Got these force fields. I'll show you that right now when I get up there, but still have to replace these. I'm as broke as a joke right now. Only 100 grand. So yeah, this is my keep all my brakes. At least as of right now, you can put these on the inside. But as you can see, you see how that one has that little arrows pointing that way. They're not you can put these inside basically, and it doesn't affect anything. But once, I guess, they activate it, you can't block anything with those where those arrows are pointed. So these will have to go outside eventually. But yeah, for now, they go right there. Medium tank, small tank, blah blah blah. Rocket fuel, all the good stuff. And respawn resurrection node. It's a little nifty ramp I built. It's pretty cute. I like it. It's kind of a pain, but yeah. You can pretty much access almost everything. There's a few things on the bottom that you can't really access here yet. I'll have to delete the floor so you can access them. If I can do this correctly. Apparently the flooring is off. Something like that. See, then I'll be able to access all of these and everything that are underneath the bottom, but I want to make it look nice, so I'm going to redo that later. Yeah, I got my adjusters on the side, the small stabilizers, a little bit more of relays, switches and whatnot to control the doors. I've got the large container, and then the back I've got a medium container. Now what I could do, as I'll show you right now, is I can expand this to put 2 large, or I can just add another medium right here. And what I will have to do is this whole wall right here, I'll just have to copy it and delete it and then move it over. I'll have to delete this little thing down here. It looks pretty nice, you know. See the little bottom area? Oh well, I'd have to lose that. And I got this globe here, just taking up space for the time being until I figure out what to do with this, but probably going to end up deleting that and then expanding this, which I can actually show you guys right now. So let's see really quickly. Let's just do this real quick. Let's put this there. Alright, so if I put this back as far as I can without it sticking outside of the ship, it'll probably be roughly right there. I would have to check outside, right? So we can put that there, right? Oh, hello. It'll be about right there. So the other one will fit roughly about right there. See, it's sticking out just a little bit. Open this up. So it'll be sticking out about that far, so I'll have to move the wall over just a little bit. Maybe at about right here, so I have some room on the other side to move in, to go down there and whatnot. So I would just take up that much more room. I wouldn't have this anymore. Maybe I can move that over to right here. And then I would end up deleting this, maybe putting something else. I might end up just making this whole top area just for cargo. Maybe I'll put like 3 large up another one. Maybe it'll come out to like right here, and then I'll have the doors right here. That'd be pretty interesting, huh? But yeah. Put this back real quick. Something right there. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, there's really nothing back here. As it'd be it. It's just cargo area. So yeah. Got that nifty floor, you know what I'm saying? That glossy carbon. Also got this little matte carbon strip going across. Just give it a little more design. I've got this luminescent white glass going across the ship. Just give it a little nice touch. Hitman gave me the idea about that. The walls were too plain. It's like, you gotta add something on there. Put a nice little zigzag strip. I was like, alright, cool, looks good. I think it's pretty nice. What do you guys think? So, is it too glossy still? Is the floor too glossy? I don't know. I think I kind of like it. I don't know. Got a little viewing bay down at the bottom. Got this little nice comfy seat right here. Custom quality, baby. Want to take a nap or anything like that, you know? Be pretty cool for those long trips, those hour-long trips from Elliot and Thades, even longer. Got these little specimens that I've captured from other planets, you know. Just kidding, haha, voxels. Yeah, I thought it looked pretty cool. I don't know, what do you think? Got little seats. These are kind of ghetto looking, you know, and this fancy looking. Everything else is fancy. These are ghetto. They're just placeholders for now. Until I get something better. I'm as broke as a joke, so got to do some more mining, unfortunately. Oh well. And then I think I pretty much showed you everything else. Oh yeah, so This here, if you can see in the bottom right, it activates the programming boards on a ship right now. I only have 2 at the moment. Might end up putting more, I don't know, it depends. This one activates that bay door, the main bay, and for whatever reason, that ramp isn't coming on when I open this. I'll have to figure that out. It only opens if I press the button down there or press these. I've got a lot of things going on in here, so it's a little time consuming to figure out which way I was running what thing. Anyways, this button here activates all of the doors. Oh, I didn't show you the doors on this side. This is my engine room. Got a bunch of engines in here, large. Got that medium engine going sideways, that medium space engine for up and down for when I'm in space. It's actually, no, it just pushes me up, not down. I've got the stabilizer large on the sides, yeah. Got this nice little nifty hatch right here. Also got this thing that opens and closes. Just hold the button as soon as you jump down, you can let it go and it closes. Or if you're far enough away, it will close. This exits to the bay. Okay, so I got a little bit of that glossy carbon, a little strip going around the whole side. I don't know, I think it makes it look nice, but I don't know. Also got to fix a few of these little things going on here. I don't know what you call them, artifacts or something. I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's a kind of a hassle fixing these. You can't just smooth them out, because the voxels really aren't, it's kind of hard to explain. There's faces of a voxel that are inside that crack that you cannot see. And you have to either put another piece on there and try to smooth it out, which that usually works, but it's not working for this area. So I've got to delete it and redo it. It's a little bit of time consuming. I'll get to that later though. And then this one, what does this do? I don't remember. I put that there when I was oh yeah, that activates all of the doors. I'll see that ramp comes on when I press that button. So I don't have something tied to that other button on the left. So that button on the bottom opens up all of the doors, interior, everything. It's more for if I want to show off my ship or something, or let somebody run around in my ship to look at it. It opens up all the doors instantly, every door, so you can't close them either. You shouldn't be able to close them. You can close that one, I guess. I guess you can close them all, just not with the actual switches. So yeah, everything's open for viewing. That's the viewing button, the show off, the showcase button, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, and then all of these buttons are accessible from the cockpit. So I can press all of these buttons. For whatever reason, you've seen the previous video that I made, if anything's lower, I think it's lower than what you're normally looking at without pressing Alt. You hold Alt and you free look. Anything below the viewpoint you can't really access because it just does this little thing all across. But if the buttons are above it, you can press them all. So it's interesting. Yeah. And the ship is actually pretty nice. I forgot what I was gonna say. But yeah, I'll try to get a nice view of it. Better backdrop than this. It's a little bit kind of plain. Oh yeah, on the bottom. These were the on the bottom there. Those are the things that I need to make accessible from the inside of the ship. Because if you have to do any major repairs while you're flying, press this button to keep me somewhat in the air. It'll try to land me safely, but it'll keep me in the air longer than without that button being activated. So if anything's broken as I'm flying, I can try and run over there if I'm flying by myself and fix it while that button is activated. You need to get a container hub to connect all your containers to. I have it hidden. That's the thing. You want to keep it hidden to make your ship look nice. At least in my opinion, you can put it somewhere to where you can actually access it through the actual thing, but I have it here. It's hidden right there. The container hub. It's inside the floor. So let's say I didn't, let's say I wanted this center of mass to be more towards the front. All you would have to do is move this more towards the front. And the reason why the center of mass is back here and the container hub is right here is because of the engines. The engines are pretty heavy, so it's taken into consideration the engines, which are all roughly lined up right here. And then the weight of the containers are no longer back there. They are actually on the hub. So the weight of the containers are right here, so it's subtracting whatnot. The containers are relatively empty right now, so there's not a whole lot of weight in them. Once they get heavier, the weight will start to shift to the front. It'll shift more to the front. I don't remember how heavy or how far it shifts, but yeah. Let's say I wanted it right here. So you just grab the move tool, put it on that little tiny thing. Which way is it? Okay. So then I can't put it there because of glass, but if I put it here, I don't know why it's not. So if I were to put it here, then that would shift forward. I don't want to actually move it. I don't know why it's not able to go inside there like it was before. Actually, you know why? It's because the glass is right here. Okay, I'll put it right there. That's fine. So if I put that right there, I'll leave it. Hold on. I'll let you see this this move right now when I press enter. Watch that move. See how that moves? So it'll shift the weight, and because that's up there, it's more up there. This is here right now because of the weight of the engines. But as soon as I start to fill up the containers more, that weight center of mass will start to shift forward towards the hub here, because that's where the container mass is. It's right on that hub. So if I just press backspace, it should put it back. There we go. Yeah, so that was pretty much how you fix any issues you have with your weight. It's just the container hub. It's really simple. They're actually pretty cheap right now. I think I got 2 of them for 25k each. So yeah, that's pretty much my ship. This is everything that I did after the fact to make it look a little bit nicer and neater. Let me know what you think in the comments, if there's anything I should change about it, something that's kind of throwing you off. I'm kind of curious what you guys will think about the luminescent lighting, this glowing up stuff, because I know it gives off that little bit of blue tint here. It kind of looks odd. You know, I know few people were saying that my ship was too shiny, which I agree, you know, but I took away all of that gloss. Only kept it in a few spots. So yeah, just let me know. And then also too, I plan on giving away a beta code to get access to this game, Dual Universe Beta. You should be able to get access to the beta for free with the code, so you don't have to pay the monthly fee. So you should be able to have access for the beta for all the way up until the game releases, from my understanding. I'll have to look into that a little bit more, but maybe, you know, if I get maybe 50 subscribers, I'll give away a beta code. So just like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Thank you.